to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kendra. I do lifestyle, beauty, fashion, and some travel videos for you guys. So if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. While you're at it, ring my bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. So today's video is all about this unit. This is actually an update video. I don't do many of those, but I would love to show you guys how this unit is holding up. It's been a couple of months since I introduced it to my channel. It is from HerGivenHair. If you follow me on any Instagram, Facebook, any of my social platforms, you've probably seen me wear this wig. I wore it for my birthday pictures. I wore it for Bay's birthday. I've just been throwing it on whenever, I feel the need to. Besides my locks, this is the unit that I've been wearing. But let me give you the specs on this unit just so that you'll have some idea. I will also post a video up here and in the description box for you guys, so you guys can see the original review that I did on this unit. But this is the Embrace My Coily Life wig from HerGivenHair. This represents probably a 3C 4A curl pattern, if you will. So for those that kind of wanted to know that. But it is a lace frontal. It's a 13 by 6. I would say from here to here is all parting, which is great. And then you have some parting space along the sides here. The hair length is 18 inches. I've cut it here or there, just kind of put it in the shape that I wanted. But for the most part, when you get your unit, it's going to be 18 inches. Or if you choose a longer length, then that's on you. Capsize that I got is a medium. It has a pre-plucked hairline. Hairline is really nice. It has that Swiss transparent lace and it lays down so beautifully. And it did come with some bleached knots. Again, the video will be posted up there and in the description box so you guys can take a look at the unit when I first got it. But for today's video, we're going to be doing a cute little twist out on this unit. If you guys are interested and you want to see the process, keep on watching.
All right, you guys, so here is the unit before. It's kind of messy. I definitely want to define these curls a lot more, but I just wanted to show you guys what it was looking like before I actually got started. Check out that transparent lace hairline, super natural. It looks so beautiful. So I'm going to be using my Grow Secrets foaming wrap lotion and just some water to apply my twist. And as you can see, I already got one side done and they are so juicy, girl. Look how juicy those twists are. Shiny, just juicy. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Like I said, I'm using the Grow Secrets foaming wrap, and I'm going to take a generous amount and apply it to my hair. I find that this foaming wrap is very moisturizing. I don't even think I had to use oil to separate my twists. So I really like this foaming wrap lotion. So yeah, I'm going to apply it, detangle. You saw those curls from that wrap lotion. Sometimes I use it as a wash and go as well. So yes, I'm just going to two-strand twist my hair. You guys know how to two-strand twist. But I'm going to take one section at a time, put the mousse on there, make sure it's detangled from roots to ends, because that's how you get good results. When you detangle your hair good from roots to ends, when it comes down to unraveling those twists, ain't nothing going to be in your way. So make sure you take time to detangle the hair. So yeah, here I am just detangling that hair and applying my two-strand twist using the mousse, and all done. Look how juicy that looks. And can we just talk about the middle part for a second? It looks pretty decent, if I do say so myself. No makeup has been added to that, so kind of matches my complexion very well. Looks very natural. So here I am, all done up. It's all dry. I think I let it dry. Actually, I air dried it for hours before I took them out because I didn't have nowhere to go. Okay. So I just let these air dry, and once they fully dried, then I unraveled the twist. So as you can see, always the first unravel is always the best. There's usually no frizz there. So I'm just unraveling the two-strand twist for the first time. I like to go through, unravel the twist, and then go back through and separate. So, yeah, you guys just watch and see how I unravel these twists. Yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory, y'all. I don't really need any instruction here. But I just wanted to show you guys what it was looking like while I was untwisting it. As you can see, I ran into a little snag here. I think a piece of hair was out of place. Let's see. Yep, piece of hair was out of place. But after that, everything went smooth. So now that I have unraveled all of my twists, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the second unravel, and I'm just going to unravel where it naturally unravels. So I'm just going to pull at the hair just to see where it naturally unravels, and then just split it from there. And as you can see, that gives you minimum frizz as well. If you just go in and just start pulling and separating, then you're going to get, you know what I'm saying, some frizz. And I want this to be a very, frizz-free look. So I'm really taking my time to unravel where the hair naturally unravels. I didn't put any oil on my hands still. No oils. I think at the very end, I may have used a little bit of tea tree oil. But for the most part, girl, that foaming wrap lotion really did the job. It really did the job. I love how this ombre unit looks with this twist out. That color is just giving me all the life. I really love it. So now that I have unraveled to the max that I want to unravel at, of course, just because it's a wig don't mean you can't raise the roots. Okay, so now I'm just going to take my pick and raise at the roots just to give myself a little bit more volume without actually adding so much frizz. I'm not taking that pick all the way through, by the way. And this is what I've come out with, y'all. This is such a cute look. I love this unit. It's so versatile. Y'all can do so much. Half up, half down, braid out, twist out, rod set. Anything you do to your own natural hair, you can do to this wig. Let me know what you think about this unit down below. And don't forget to check the description box for information, all the information about this unit. And I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye.